Hello, we are going to take different examples of quadratic equations using formula. The first example is solve 6x squared minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we know that a is the coefficient of x square. This is a. B is the coefficient of x. This is b minus 5. And c is the constant. That is negative 7. It is good to write these values, that a is equal to 6. B is equal to negative 5 and C is equal to negative 7. Inculcate the habit to write the formula every time you solve the question. So this is minus B plus minus root B square minus 4AC over 2A. Minus b is negative 5 plus minus 4 root 4, that is b square, that is minus 5 square minus 4, a is 6 and c is negative 7. Divided by 2a, 2 multiply 6, that is the value of x. So x will be minus and minus plus, this is 5 plus minus, this is 25. Negative 5 square is positive, minus and minus is plus, that is 4 times 7 is 28, multiply 6 is 168. So x will be 5 plus minus root 168 plus 25 is 193 divided by 12. So x is having two values. X is equal to 5 plus root 193 is 13.89 divided by 2, and 5 minus 13.89 divided by 12 divided by 12. So values of x will be, this is 1.57 and negative 7.403. 7.40. So that is the first type of question. We have used the formula. This is, we can say, is example number 1. Now example number 2. Question number 2 is solve 3x plus 2 multiplied by 4x plus 1 is equal to 10. Let's simplify this. 3 multiply 4 is 12 x square, and 3x multiply 1 is 3x. 2 multiply 4 is 8x, and 2 times 1 is 2. Take 10 this side, minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is This is 12x square plus 11x minus 8 is equal to 0. We have converted this equation into standard quadratic equation. So here a is equal to the coefficient of x square, that is 12, b is positive 11, and c is negative 8. So a is 12, b is 11, and c is minus 8. Let's write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now let's put the value. Minus b is minus 11 plus minus b square is 11 square minus 4, a is 12, and c is minus 8 over 2 multiplied a, 12. So that is equal to negative 11 plus minus root, this is 121 and this is 384. So that is 505. Divide by 24. So x is equal to minus 11 plus root 505 is 22.47. 22.47 divide by 24, and minus 11 minus 22.47 divided by 24. So x will be, this is minus 11 plus 22.41, so 11.41 divided by 24, that is 0.477, so 4.8, and this value will be minus 1.39. So these are the two examples. Now let's take third example. Another example is solve 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 10. In the first glance is not appearing as a quadratic equation, but if you solve it, let me take the LCM, that is x plus 1 and x minus 1. So this is x minus 1 and this is plus x plus 1 is equal to 10. 2x, 1 and 1 cancel, so it is 2x over, we multiply this is x square minus 1 is equal to 10. So equation is 10x square minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So I can write it as 5x square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is a standard quadratic equation. So that is equal to 1 plus minus root 25 times 4 is 100, so that is root 101 over 10. So if you want, you can leave it like this, or you can find the solution in decimals. Now example 4. find x. This is a right angle triangle. This is x. This is x plus 9. And this is 2x plus 1. Now we have to find the value of x. Now this is the hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem, that is c square is equal to a square plus b square. These are a or b, and this one is c. So 2x plus 1 square is equal to x square plus x plus 9 square. 2x plus 1 square is 4x square plus 2x times 1 is 2x multiplied 2 is 4x and plus 1 square is 1 is equal to x square plus 9 times 2 is 18x plus 81, 9 square. So we simplify it. So this is 4x square minus x square plus 4x minus 18x plus 1 minus 81 is equal to 0. This is x square. This is the term of x, and this is constant. So this is 3x square minus 14x minus 80 is equal to 0. I forgot this x square we have, so this is actually 2x square and this is minus 2x square. So this is 2x square this is 2x square minus 14x 1 minus 81 is minus 80 is equal to 0. So we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 14. Now what we can do here is, to make it a big one, we can divide this by 2. So what we are having is divided by 2. So this is x square minus 7x minus 40 is equal to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 7 and c is minus 40. A is 1, b is minus 7 and c is minus 40. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. We put these values, so x is equal to minus b is minus 7, plus minus root b square minus 7 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 40. Over 2 multiply 1, 2a. So the x will be 7 plus minus root 49. This will become plus 160 over 2. So x will be 7 plus, this is 14.46 over 2 and 7 minus 14.46 over 2. So the value of x will be 10.73 and minus 3.73. As length is positive, so x will be 10.73. so that is the answer for that. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.